Hi, if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for information on the best affiliate programs to promote in 2019 if you're a beginner and you want to build a full-time income business online. So that's what we're going to be talking about here in this video today, is what are the best products to promote, how to find good products, what do you want to look for in a product, and also how to use this to make money online. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And so we are talking today about the best products to promote to make a full-time income online for beginners in 2019. So let's talk about this. I think this is really important. I think I've got a lot of good information to share with you here. So make sure to stay tuned to the end because you're not going to want to miss any of it. Okay, so really there's 5 things that you want to be looking out for when it comes to choosing a product to promote for affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner. So the first thing that you want to be looking out for is you want to find a product that has a done-for-you sales funnel. Building sales funnels is essential to building a business online. You've got to be able to have a lead capture page to capture leads, and then follow-up pages like a thank you page to help introduce people to the product you're promoting, and then maybe even different pages after that, like lessons. That's what I'm using lessons to further educate people on how the product's going to help them and how to get results and things like that. So building that sales funnel also includes emails to send to the audience and things like that. Doing all of this yourself, if you're a beginner, it's going to be very hard for you to get any kind of traction because there's a lot to learn when it comes to building a high converting sales funnel. You've got to learn copywriting and persuasion and split testing, and there's all these different things that go into creating that sales funnel. So if you can find a done-for-you sales funnel that has that included, that has a lead capture page, it has the follow-up pages, it has the emails written for you, it even has, social media posts that you can post and things like that, scripts that you can use. If you find something that has all of these things done for you, you can get results faster because then while you're learning these things, you're learning how to do these things for yourself, you can start making money by promoting a sales funnel that's already been done, that's already been proven to work, already proven to convert. You just have to now, all you have to really focus on is send qualified traffic over to the sales funnel. So that's the first thing. The first thing is a done-for-you sales funnel, including email, copy, and things like that. And then the next thing that you want to look for in a product to promote is you want to have one of 2 things. You either want to have recurring commissions or you want to have high ticket commissions. And if you can get both, then that's actually even better. So here's why this is important. Imagine you're promoting a product that earns you $30 per sale, right? $30 per sale. And let's say you want to make $3,000 per month online. Well, to make $3,000 per month promoting a $30 product, you need 100 sales every month to build that, to get the $3,000 per month. On the other hand, if you are promoting something that earns $30 per sale per month, recurring commissions, so it's not just $30 one time, but $30 per month, then you just need 100 sales. And then as long as you can keep 100 people active in the program, in the product, that's $3,000 per month just from 100 sales total, not 100 sales every single month. So can you see how this is so much easier to promote in this way, to build a business in this way, to scale up when you have the recurring commissions in place? The other thing is high ticket commissions. If you have high ticket commissions, then maybe you might just need 1, 2, 3 sales. Maybe so you're promoting something that has a $1,000 commission that you can earn. And then you just need 3 sales every month to hit $3,000 per month. That's pretty simple, right? So the people who are focusing on these low ticket offers that have a one-time commission, that it's going to be so much harder to get results that way. So that's definitely, I recommend going with the recurring and the high ticket commissions. The third thing to look out for, when choosing a product to promote, You want to have a product that has a high converting back end process. So not only can you make money on the front end for promoting the product, so for example, you make $30 per month with the example I gave earlier. Now the company that you promote, they're also going to promote other products to your audience, to the people who you got over there. Like, so they bought the $30 per month product, right? And then they're going to continue to use their back end sales process to promote their other products to the same person, and you can earn a commission on those products. So then when you have that in place, when you find a product like that, then you just need to make one sale. Then you can make $30 per month, right? But then also they're going to sell their other products. And so you can continue to make further commissions, including potentially high ticket commissions if they have, those high ticket offers in there. Okay, so the fourth thing to look for if you're going to promote something with reoccurring commissions, you don't want to promote something that people are going to start on but then quit quickly. Membership sites where people can go and get information by paying a monthly membership for the program, and it's for information, and an information product, an information type membership site. A lot of times these don't work really well because people tend to quit membership sites pretty quickly. They see, they don't really feel like maybe the value's there, or it's not worth the money to continue to pay month after month after month just so they can get more information. But on the other hand, something like a software, a tool that people use, and it's something that they can use maybe like to grow their business, a tool that someone would use to grow their business that they need to pay for every month to continue to use, that kind of software, that's something to promote, because when you have that, they're not going to quit if it's working for them, if it's helping them build their business, if it's helping them to get results. They're not going to close that software unless, without good reason. So something that's sticky, that people stick with longer, like software, that's better to promote for recurring commissions. All right, now this brings us finally to the last thing, the fifth thing to look out for and looking for a product to promote, and that's you want to have ongoing training and support to help you learn and grow and promote the product and get results faster. So, right, because again, there's a lot to learn, there's a lot to figure out, there's a lot of pieces to put together. So having ongoing training and support and people who you can look to for help, to help you build this and help you figure this out, help you put the pieces together. That's the last thing you want to look for if you're a beginner looking for a product to promote to really make good income online. So now I want to talk about a product that you can promote that meets all of these qualifications. It has recurring commissions. They also have a high converting backend that has high ticket commissions as well as recurring commissions. And they have a sales funnel. Well, I have a sales funnel that you can use to promote it. So you can use my funnel, the same funnel that I'm using, to help you get results. It's a proven funnel that's already been proven to convert, already been proven to get results. And it includes the emails. It includes swipe files for social media posts. It includes training. It includes ongoing support. And it includes everything I've talked about here today. So if you want to learn how to get access to this, the software, it's called ClickFunnels, and I'll give you training on how to use it, training on how to promote it, and I'll give you my high converting sales funnel. And if you want to check it out, go down to the link down below this video. You'll get access to it, and you'll learn my top recommendation for building a passive income online and being a super affiliate with ClickFunnels. So now if you like this kind of content, if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.